Welcome guys, let's start to design this simple 3D model part 3D model part in our Catia software. So here you can see actual isometric view of this model. In the bottom you can see a 2D sketch. So let's start to open first of all Catia. To start, click the design part design here. I had this all plane, create one origin point, insert axis system to this point. Let's start to design this part. So go to sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, vector point axis, orientation is parallel to this line. Let's start to design this part. So first of all we have to create one rectangle here. Dimensions are given as 90 height and 100 length. 90 as a height and 100 as a length. View from origin also to make this rectangle symmetric to this origin. Now we have to create two fillets here. Actually fillet value for this is 20 radius. Now give dimension to this also. We have to create two holes here, so create two circles here. Now use simple circle command. Dimension for this circle is given as diameter as 20. This also 20. Now we have to create this elongated hole here. So go to this profile tab and apply to this rectangle command and select this elongated hole. Draw one horizontal elongated circle and vertical distance is given here as 20 and radius value for this is 20. And from base it is presented at 30 mm and center to center distance of this circle is 40. Make sure to make this symmetrical to this vertical axis. Now you can check that our this sketch is fully functional. Exit this 2D sketch workbench, and before going to pair, make sure you are in a part for defining work object. Now use pair and select this 2D sketch. Now give whatever length you want to give. We are giving this 20. That's okay. Now you can see that this sketch is created perfectly. This 3D model part we are created in this Catia software.